Tree service companies lose a lot of time when scheduling, dispatching, estimates, and crew coordination are handled through phone calls, texts, and paper notes instead of one system built for field service work. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits tree service businesses, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you handle estimates, job scheduling, crew dispatching, and emergency calls. Most tree service companies need 5 core things from software: fast estimates, job scheduling, crew dispatching, route planning, and invoicing that can be sent right after the work is done. Field service software is usually the best fit because tree work is mobile, unpredictable, and often involves urgent jobs that need fast coordination between office staff and crews. Estimating is one of the most important features. Tree removal and trimming jobs depend on tree size, risk level, equipment needs, and access. So software that helps build consistent, repeatable estimates saves time and reduces pricing mistakes. Scheduling and dispatching matter just as much. Good software lets you assign crews quickly, adjust schedules on the fly, and handle emergency calls without disrupting the entire day. Route planning is another major advantage. Tree service companies often move between widely spread job sites, so grouping nearby jobs reduces travel time and increases how many jobs crews can complete in a day. Customer communication is also important because many jobs involve urgent situations like storm damage or fallen trees. Software that sends automatic updates helps customers stay informed without constant phone calls. Invoicing is another key part of the workflow. The best systems let crews generate invoices immediately after completing a job, which helps speed up payment and reduces administrative delays. Mobile access is essential because crews need to view job details, upload photos, and update job status directly from the field, especially when working on large or hazardous sites. Some platforms also include photo documentation tools, which are useful for showing before and after results, and providing proof of work for insurance-related jobs. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between simple scheduling tools and full field service platforms. Simple tools are easier to adopt, while full platforms offer stronger automation for dispatching, routing, and customer communication. The right choice depends on your workload and job complexity. Smaller tree service companies often prioritize simple scheduling and invoicing. Larger teams benefit more from advanced dispatching, route optimization, and job tracking features. A practical next step is to look at how often your team handles emergency or same-day jobs. If that's a regular part of your business, dispatch speed and real-time scheduling should be your top priority when choosing software. If this helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business software and tools.